Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. This is the end of the 5th week of construction and remodeling at Masjid Sunnah, Chicago, located at 5144 Main Street in Skokie, Illinois. Alhamdulillah, in the last three or so weeks, we have been working on the underground drainage plumbing, as well as the overhead hot and cold plumbing, as well as the electrical for the entire building. Alhamdulillah. Let's take a look, inshallah. Bismillah. As you can see here, the electric on the walls, the electrical boxes and the conduit that's going to run the wires is being installed on the far right wall. That's where all the fans are going to go. If we install wall fans, that's where they're going to go. We're also going to install overhead ceiling fans as well. You can see the electric boxes being installed with the conduits that run the cables on these, next to these metal posts that hold the building. Alhamdulillah. Same thing goes for all the posts. Also on this left side, the electrical is being installed currently. Alhamdulillah. As far as the plumbing in the bathrooms, we have been working on the underground drainage, digging up the floors. You can see we've installed a new drainage for this bathroom area and this utility room up here. Alhamdulillah. Also installed we've installed the hot and cold lines in each of the bathrooms. Let's go in the second bathroom. This is the second bathroom, which is the ADA bathroom for men. And here you can see the new drainage installed throughout. Also, you can see the hot and cold lines for where the sink is going to go. They go up to the ceiling and go across to the other side. And the water here is going to be installed back there in this second utility room here, inshallah. You can see the drainage from this side and the utility room. Also in this third bathroom, you can see the new drainage installed. And also in this utility room. Alhamdulillah. Inshallah, we are estimating that we should have the electrical completed, inshallah, next week. Alhamdulillah, we are pleased to announce that we passed the inspection yesterday for this underground plumbing. Alhamdulillah. And bi'idhnillah, we will be having an electrical inspection sometime next week, and for the remaining plumbing as well. We will continue, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all those brothers and sisters who are donating for the construction of this masjid, and also those who have donated in the past for the purchase of this building. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from all of them and make it heavy in all their scales of good deeds Yawmul Qiyamah. Jazakumullahu khairan, barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.